Hello, today I am going to discuss about the word collinear. In class 5th, you are given a figure in maths and were asked which of the following are collinear. At that time, you are simply drawing a line like that, this bird, and like this, and telling these points are collinear. What did you do at that time? You are simply drawing a line and the point, those are coming on one line, these points are collinear. In the figure, A, B, C are collinear, A, D, E are collinear. In the same way, some other points are also collinear in this figure. Can you comment about it? Now, our main question is 7.1 exercise, question number 3. Let me tell you about it. We are given, determine if the points, this one A, this one and this one are collinear. We are giving 3 points. This is 1 point. I have already discussed about it in introduction and other videos. This one is also 1 point. This one is also 1 point according to the coordinate geometry. So we are required to know, are these points are collinear or not? In class 5th, a points like that is given, this one and this one and this one, and were asked if they are collinear, A, B, C are collinear. Simply we are drawing a line and can say this is collinear, but this is not class 5th, this is 10th class. So what we are required to do in here? Look, we know the distance formula. If these 3 points, I have denoted A here and B here and C here. If these 3 points are collinear, one thing is required, and that is, if 3 points are collinear, suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. If these 3 points are collinear, so one condition which must be followed here it is addition of this one, AB plus BC. The distance of AB plus BC must be equal to distance of AC. And if these points are not collinear, suppose this point is not here, this point is here, then addition of AB and AC must not be equal to AC. By this rule, we are required to find out the distance of AB. Now the question arises here, is it possible for us to find out the distance of AB? In the same way, is it possible for us to find out the distance of BC? In the same way, is it possible for us to find out the distance of AC? And if we can find out the distance, then how we will add it? You are required to pause the video and give the answer. Let me tell you later. I hope you have taken out the distance of AB, BC and AC. Let me tell you, you can calculate like that also. First write A and B, coordinate of A and coordinate of B here. Write down x1, y1, x2, y2 and you can calculate the distance. We have already calculated many distance in earlier questions also. In the same way, we are required to find out the distance of BC and AC. Now the main question is here. This is the biggest line according to the number. This is 5 under root 212 under root 256. In the biggest line, if I am adding any one, either this one or this one, if in this line I am adding this one, it cannot be equal to this one. In the same way, because this is bigger line, if I am adding this one, it cannot be equal to this one. But to a shorter line, this one and this one can be added to this one. So we are required AB to know AB plus BC is equal to AC or not. For this AB is under root 5, BC is 212 is equal to AC is 265, which is not equal. You can see here, this number or this number or this number cannot be taken out from the root directly. If they are so, I did it earlier. So these numbers are not collinear according to the condition. This is the question. For your more information, if you are not satisfied up to here, this is the right question up to here. If you want to do some more, you are required to take out the square root of this one by division method we have done in 8th class. If you are taking out this one by the division method we have studied in 8th class, we are getting this number. We are taking out this one from the square root by the division method. This number will come in the same way this one. Adding this one to this one, we are getting this number, and this number is already here. This number is not equal to this number, so by this you also can understand it. Otherwise the answer up to here is also right.